This is the Doomsday broadcast initiated by the British Broadcasting Company. Please remain calm and listen to what is said on this broadcast. Around 2:52 p.m., scientists at NASA have spotted a faint but visible black dot in the sky. NASA did intense research around this abnormal spot, and they are still looking at the main cause. We at the BBC urges you to go to the underground bunker or basement. It might be something dangerous or something abnormal, such as solar flares, unusual amount of stars, or even an asteroid. As of now, we can only hope for the best, and prepare for the very worst. Evacuations are already taking place in London, Manchester, Leeds, Sussex, Portsmouth, Southampton, Surrey, Newcastle, Edinburgh, Belfast and Hertfordshire. At this time, it is not recommended to call from telephone boxes at the moment because they could be used by the military at this time. It is advised to turn off the television right now and turn to the radio. We cannot guarantee how this is an emergency update initiated. Please take serious attention to what is said on screen. NASA has confirmed that is a life-threatening asteroid that is the approximate size of Saturn. The asteroid is severely near Earth and talks at NATO are deciding to send loads of missiles to the asteroid. If successful, it will deflect the asteroid's path, leading somewhere else. However, there is approximately 98.772% of the asteroid taking a different route, and a 1.338% chance of it still hitting Earth. The missiles are already launched and we hope for the best. We have a now devastating update we sadly have to break to you. The missile mission was unsuccessful, and the asteroid's path remains unchanged, meaning the asteroid will now be hitting Earth. We have very little time to prepare, or even attempt to stop the asteroid again. There is no other hope, sadly, and it is advised to go to a military or underground bunker now. We, at the British Broadcasting Company, thank you for tuning in for the final moments of Earth. There will be no national anthem to sign off with for the last time because we need to show you where is the asteroid hitting and how much time is left. Goodbye everyone, and thank you from BBC 2 of 17 years of operation.